Where's your stroller? Where's your stroller? Where's your stroller? Can you walk on your stroller? Oh, nice job. Oh, nice job. Oh, a lot of work. Oh, yeah. Oh, oh, oh. Whoopsies. What have you got in that stroller? Oh, fun. Oops. That's all right. Just get back up. Can you walk on the stroller? You can do it. Yeah. Oh, there it goes. Can you push the stroller to it? Oof, a lot of effort. Whoa. Oh, yeah. Oh, goodness me. This is what they call a tracking shot, Martin. Kind of. Oh, yeah. You can do it. Come on, you can do it. I know you can. Come on. You can do it. Just a really hard push. There you go. Come on, you can do it. Push, push. Push, babe. There. Yeah, you got it, you got it, you got it. You're pretty much standing up there, babe. Oh, Myra Jean, come on, come here. Come on, you can do it, you can do it. Oh, my goodness gracious. Come on. Here, come here. You know, I shouldn't be doing that for you, but I did. Oh, end of a long journey. That's water. Whew. That was exhausting. Was that exhausting?